Alrighty, so I did have to blow dry because it was still kind of wet. It still is a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but I've got to move on with my life now. So I did spray some hairspray, and I would probably recommend doing this when your hair is about 60% dry, not wet like I did last night. And then maybe some sort of gel or something that's gonna give it a little bit of hold. I did just spray, and then you just undo these little scrunchies, and you're supposed to just pull it from up here. Okay. Yeah, and I think I'm probably gonna like give this to all my extension clients, especially because this is kind of nice to not have to use any heat on your hair. I promise you, it's gonna get better. Oh, yes, okay. And this isn't even fully dry, really. I mean, I should have probably let it sit a little bit longer. And then I just have to really style my own natural hair because it's naturally kind of frizzy, but this looks good, I think. What do y'all think? Not bad. Okay, hair ribbon. Okay. No heat? Okay.